Hello, welcome back. We are on door number 8. So let's have a look through. 8. Here we are. Okay, so today we have these are some little metallic watercolors. There they are. Excited to give these a try. Let's jump into our journal. Right, let's start by testing them out. I've got this little bit of paper to do ourselves a swatch. I wasn't expecting that to be that colour, but it's nice. It's like a coppery colour. Also lovely sort of bronzy gold. There we go. They're nice. They are nice. I do love myself metallics occasionally. Oh, that's like a really rusty sort of tin colour. Not rusty. Like a... yeah, I can't think of the word. A dark copperish colour. Tinnish colour. That one's quite dark as well. Like a dark brown. And this one is more of your gold. So that's what they look like. And I've got my journal, so we're gonna use them in my journal somehow. So let's have a think. Oh, and I've picked out a Tim Holtz photo booth image that I thought I'd quite like to use today. So let's get cracking. All right, just been playing around, and I was thinking I might put the photograph on one of these little mini tags. I've just stapled some fabric to the top, and I was thinking of actually putting the swatch that we've just created in there. So I'm going to grab my glue. I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to stick it down and see where it takes us. Just going to make sure that I put a crease in there so it will fold. Okay, let's put in a bit of masking tape or washi tapes down just to hold that in place a little bit. I'll start with masking tape, and then I think I'll grab some washi tape. Let's go for this one. Just the first one that I grabbed. Where do I want it? Where do I want it? Okay. Let's also grab some gesso. And a bigger brush will do. I'm going to put it on quite thickly and have some brush marks in it, maybe even grab myself a stick. Hang on a sec, let me see. Just grab myself a skewer and do some little spill writing in the wet gesso. Okay, and I'm going to give that a dry. Right, that's more or less dry, and I'm going to grab one of these colours. I think I'm going to go for this goldy colour and just put some over, and it will pick up some of that writing I did. Do I want to put in a different colour? Let's go for that dark tin colour. They're very nice. Oh, I still don't expect that colour to be there. It looks like it's a really almost bluish toned, but it comes out this deep coppery red. Okay, let's give that another dry. I feel like adding some stamping today. I've got one of my little handmade stamps. I've gone for these dots because it kind of I've got dots in that fabric there that I've put on the tag. And I'm going to also put it on the image here as well. Staple her to it. And that's going over on here, I think. So this is what it's starting to look like. Do I? Or do I want her over there? No, I'm going to stick with it over there. Let's pop it down before I change my mind. Oh, I've smudged that. Never mind. It can be smudgy. That's fine. I think... What else do I want with this? I'm not sure. Just going to dip my finger in the gesso and bring in a little bit more white in places. Okay, I'm going to dry it and have a think. I'm coming back to my Stabilo wall. I'm enjoying using this at the moment, and I think it just brings a bit of unity between one side and the other. Oh, I don't know if I wanted to do that circle. Let's just spray it and take out a little bit for that. Oops. Dropping stuff where I haven't got a tissue, so I'll just use a piece of fabric. I'm just going to activate some of this as well along here. Okay, let's find some words. Okay, I found the words "she smiled approvingly," which I thought went really nicely. Just dug these out of an old book today. I'm just popping that there. And I just think I need a little bit more behind the image here. And maybe just a few little marks or something to bring the metallic over here. Okay, well, I really liked the little watercolours. That's my page for today, number 8. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.